Welcome everyone. Question on the solid state. A metal crystallizes in FCC lattice with A is equal to 4.08 angstrom. So the value of D110 is, choices are A 1.21 angstrom, B 1.44 angstrom, C 2.37 angstrom, D 2.93 angstrom. Answer is B 1.44 angstrom. Explanation we will see in the next slide. Here given A is equal to 4.08 angstrom. We know that for the FCC lattice D110 is equal to A by 2 root 2. Now we put the value of A in this equation. Therefore, D110 is equal to 4.08. It is the value of A by 2 root 2, or D110 is equal to 1.44 angstrom. Thank you for watching this video.